saying? Can I get likes on this video?
Like on YouTube.
This is my YouTube channel.
Okay, 100 likes might have to I get a YouTube channel.
So there you have it. Give us 100 likes and Stavros will get a YouTube channel. We'll see. Welcome to my channel, Beauty and the Kids. I hope you're all well, having a fantastic evening, day, morning, whatever it is, and wherever you are in the world and you're watching my channel. I hope you all are fine and well. So today on the channel we're going to talk about my subscription boxes from LookFantastic and Glossybox, and you're going to see all the details commented below. If this is the first time you're watching my channel, thank you so much for coming along. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this, and if you would like to see more about this, then please subscribe, click the button, subscribe, press the bell, and I will you know, be happy to share more videos on this. So let's get started in today's unboxing of LookFantastic and Glossybox. Fantastic's April edition would look like, and inside you get 7 full-size products, and you also receive a Elle magazine, which is, I think, is a really good touch, because I don't really actually go out of my way to go and buy magazines anymore, because I just feel like sometimes they do get in the way and just tend to pile up and just a mess. So I like the fact that it's a mini Elle magazine, and sometimes it's quite nice to stay up to date with trends and stuff like that. And you know, when you want to update your vision board, it's a really good idea too. I have been trying to do this video for over a week now, but because the excitement of waiting for some of the deliveries to turn up, I then lost my voice on Friday, and it still feels a bit ugh, but hey, I'm just too excited and I want to get this up and running on my channel. So excuse the sound of my voice, but what happened with the boxes, I had to take out the tissue paper because my son had a friend over last week and they needed to create some sort of recycled material pencil pot, and then they had to make their Easter eggs for, obviously they have like an egg rolling competition at school, so they decided to take out all the tissue paper that we've got here. The Emma Hardy Midas Touch Revitalising Cream. It deeply hydrates and moisturises, lifts and smooths, improves firmness and elasticity, and it smells really, really fresh. So this actually retails at $13.50. Got the Balance Me Natural Skincare Vitamin C Repair Serum. I have been using this. I have been using it for over a week now, and I have seen a massive difference in my skin. It's with hyaluronic acid, and this is to turbocharge your routine with a pea-sized amount. I've noticed you need a bit more than a pea size. Is it because my skin's slightly dehydrated? I don't know, but it literally needs a bit more to soak in. Of this powerful lightweight serum to intensely hydrate, brighten and firm your complexion whilst helping to reduce pigmentation and uneven skin tone. I have found a massive difference in this. I sometimes have like uneven blemishes here, and I've got like a little dark patch somewhere, and they are starting to fade, and this stuff is fantastic. So highly recommend this product. And this is worth £11. Scalp mask, and this is to help obviously it's to nutrivate wake up call for roots with caffeine, zinc and biotin. And what you need to do is massage a generous amount into the scalp, leave for 10 minutes or more if desired, and rinse and cleanse hair thoroughly. So I'm going to try this out because I have been suffering with a flaky scalp lately. And is it down to stress? Is it down to what the hell's going on with my body? I don't know, but I'm going to give it a try because it's worth it and see what happens. And this retails at £6. Lipstick, and this is in the colour, in the shade MV. Gorgeous. It's like a brownie red. Give it a nice swatch. There you go. It's a lovely colour, and it's really nice and smooth, very moisturizing, I can see. And I've actually swatched this on my hand before and it's stained, so it's got a really good pigmentation on it. And this is retailing at £16. We've got Organic Origin Recovery Mask. So this is a face mask and it's going to give excellent soothing properties, reduces redness, irritation and stinging sensation, moisturize, nourish your skin, working with its natural barrier to improve stress response and regenerating mechanisms. That's the word I'm looking for. So I think I definitely need this because I can say it's only day one of the Easter holidays and it's been a very stressful day, just saying. And that product retails at £4.99. Ahava Dead Sea Bath Salts, rich in health, inducing minerals including magnesium, calcium,
sodium, potassium and more. These powerful salts soothe your body with genuine relaxation, easing muscle tension and softening your skin.
And this retails at £7. So there you have this month's Look Fantastic product. Next up is the Glossybox April subscription, and I got the floral one. That was the fruity or the floral. I got the floral because I love it because it's in the pink box anyway. And once again the tissue has gone because my son used it last week. So you get the lovely card and tells you exactly what's in there. Full size product of the body butter, and this smells gorgeous. This is for very dry skin. I wouldn't say I've got very dry skin, and I wouldn't say that I have dried skin, but oh my god, it smells delicious. It's got a lovely smell to it. And this one is pineapple and passion fruit smoothness. Love this. And I've got shower gel in the it's called roseberry. I'm saying raspberry and rose at the same time, so you get roseberry. New word for the dictionary there, guys. So you get raspberry and rose water. And can I just say, so what happened was we ran out of shower gel, so I have been using this for the last few days because I forgot to get a shopping and I completely forgot that we ran out of shower gel. And luckily Glossybox, thank you Glossybox for turning up and adding shower gel in the box, because it was a lifesaver. Yeah, otherwise it would have been a trip to the supermarket in the middle of the night, and I really not in the mood for that. So that got a gorgeous smell, and I love retail at £2.30. And I forgot to mention that the body butter is retailing at £10, and you can go to superduper.com. I will leave all the links in the comments below so you guys can go and check it out, and I'll also leave the link for Glossybox so you guys can go over and subscribe. I'm not affiliated with them, Glossybox, or got any discount codes. It's a fab subscription box, and it's a fun way to receive something for yourself every month. So I'll leave that in the and you can get it for £10. Dr. Pawpaw, and this is a multi-purpose smoothing balm with natural pawpaw, and this is with a hint of tint, fragrance free. Oh, can you see that? I haven't even opened this either. See guys, see how loyal I am to you. You are getting first impressions here, right now of the products, because oh wow, Stavros, can you imagine that on my cheeks? For lips, cheeks and cosmetic free with a hint of tint. A hint of tint, that is so, oh my god, that is so bright. Okay guys, so you add it to the cheek. Gives you a nice little pop of colour, doesn't it? It smells gorgeous. And this is cruelty free and vegan. Yeah, 25ml, and this retails, this is a full size as well, and this retails at £6.95. so go and check it out. It smells really nice. Sleeping mask. Oh, I like the sound of that. So you can use this 2 to 3 times a week. Apply a thin layer onto skin, dry skin in the evening, onto clean dry skin in the evening. Allow the mask to sink in the skin and leave overnight. I'm going to try this tonight because oh my god, that smells divine. So that's just a nice thick cream. Dr. Pooh.
Dr. Pooh. Oops, sorry. Rewind.
Dr. Botanics with Pooh. Oh my god, did I just say Dr. Pooh? Anyway, so this retails at This is the deluxe mini, so this is worth £14, and the 50ml is actually 90. So if I'm saying this wrong, shouldn't even be pronouncing it. Jan Arthur's, yeah. This retails at $20.99, and this one came with the floral, because obviously that's the theme. Oh my god, excuse me. Water break. And this is a natural fusion, so this is chai seed and argan oil hair mask. I need a lot to do with my hair. I had it done on, I had my hair done on Friday, and I have been trying to keep it nice and smooth, you know, because I only get my hair done once a week. My sister's always shouting at me, but hey, that's for another channel. And you will get it for $2.99. So guys, that is this month's April Glossybox. So here they are. This is the Glossybox Egg limited edition that was literally sold out in 17 minutes from when it was launched. Like literally, I was stalking my emails to make sure that I didn't miss out on getting this little thing. Got the egg collection from LookFantastic as well. Egg, yes, done it. Oh wow. Okay, so here it is. I love how they've got everything shoved in here. Self Tan Purity 24ml. So this is what it looks like. And then we have the Saint-Tropez Prep and Maintain mitt as well. So you got the self tanning mitt as well. I'm actually not really, I don't do self tanning, but this is a bronzing water gel, and it says natural looking glow in 3 hours. So I'm actually intrigued to see how this would work out. Bad Girl Cosmetics mascara. Oh wow, look at that brush, that looks amazing. So I'm going to give this a try because I've never actually ever tried this before, so I am excited to give this a whirl. So this is the Benefits Cosmetics, and this retails at £22. This travel size is actually £11, so a good little, you get a good chunk of primer. This would last you forever. For £5 it's not bad. Okay, and then next up, oh, I've actually seen this and I really want to give it a try. This is the Lee Stafford Choco Locks, and this is the gloss box, so it's a perfect polish for high shine locks that smell so scrumptiously chocolatey. Is almost good enough to eat. Your guilt-free chocolate fix. Should we give it a spray to see? God, I hope it smells of chocolate. Oh my god. That smells, oh my god, that smells of chocolate. That is delicious. So that's $6.99, and you can get that from Boots as well. I will link all of these down at the bottom so you guys can go and check it out. But I'm going to try pick, so I really want to give it a go. I really want to get on her PR list. But anyway, that's another story. So yeah, I'm going to give this a try, and this is worth £10. So give that a go. And then we've got some eyelashes. There's no glue or anything in there, and these are worth £10, and they are 3D strips eyelashes. So there you go, if you like eyelashes.
What is going down with my hair?
It's a eyeshadow, so it's a very highly pigmented mascara. How gorgeous is that? It actually goes with the colour that I'm wearing tonight, which is gorgeous. Oh wow, so there's the colour there, and it's got like a gold shimmer to it as well. Look how it's so different. I saw this on another YouTuber channel and I thought, wow, that's gorgeous. So I like that, and I can't wait to try it out. So this retails at £22, and I will link in the comments Elemis. We have got the Pathology Soothe 5-minute flash mask. So this is a mask, and this retails at £8. Check out this. Okay, so give me 1 second because it's absolutely huge. Right. Oh, just check out this amazing box. It just looks like Christmas all over again. So you take it off, and then you've got your, oh, my box. Okay, so you got your booklet inside and tells you exactly what's inside here. I'm so excited, and let me just share with you. So I've got 7 eggs, not been opened, not touched. I'm so excited, and it's the Beauty Egg collection. I just think it's absolutely adorable, and I'm so lucky that I think this is still available, and I will link everything below. So let's go with the grey egg first. I don't know what's inside. How do you open it? Come on, little bugger. Do you not want to just squeeze it? Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. So in here we've got a supernatural spray from the colour Wow Wow. And then you've also got a colour security shampoo, the ultimate dream clean sulfate free shampoo, the gold, the bronzy one. Oh. Okay, this one's just open. And in here we have the Aromaworks Bioactive Anti-Aging Formula Absolute Eye Serum for all skin types. So there you go. It's like a silver, isn't it? You just kind of got to squeeze them a little bit, and then okay, so here we've got the Bare Minerals Good Hydration Silky Face Primer. So we've got a primer in this one as well. What else do we have? Oh god, I just feel so like, I'm so excited. Penny will be like, what? I'm surprised Penny's not up here trying to open it all out with me. Oh, so in here we've got the Foreo Lunar Play. Oh, what's this? It's the tiny but mighty T-Sonic facial cleansing device. Wow, so that's that. Oh. Okay, so next up we've got, oh, okay, so here we've got, ooh, Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. Yeah, okay, so in here we have, oh, this is nice and hazelnut. So this is a deep cleansing bar, and it comes like this, a nice size bar, and I love how it comes in its own little tub. Really nice package. Last egg is this one, and inside you have the Laura Geller Dewdreamer Illuminating Drops. Oh, and I've got glided honey, so little, oh, kind of spilled that already. Do you mind? I don't even know what you're doing. So mine is the gold. Oh, I've spilt these over it. So it's glided honey, this one, and it's a nice, oh, that's nice. It's quite watery, but there it is there. It's that shade there. Look at all my hands, I could do with a wash. Guys, so this was today's video unboxing my Look Fantastic and Glossybox April's edition and the Easter editions as well. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you come back and watch some more. If you want me to do some more videos like this, then just leave a comment in the comments, and I will be happy to come back next month and do May's unboxing. How are we going into May already? I don't know. So have a fantastic day, evening, morning, wherever it is you are, and I'll see you all on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, guys,
and 100 likes,
and 100 likes so for Stavros to get his own YouTube channel. If we get 100 likes, then I will give him a YouTube channel. If we don't, then he has to wait until I get a video of over 100 likes. Deal's a deal, isn't it, at the end of the day? So yeah, I will see you all on the next video. Take care of yourselves, believe in yourselves, guys, and don't forget to always do you. Bye.